Hello my wonderful friend, you're welcome back to my channel, Erica's Beauty Tube. If it's your first time of visiting my channel, please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, like, share and comment for more videos, okay? Yeah, today's video I'm going to show us my DIY beauty accessories. I'm going to be showing us the DIY beauty accessory. I bought this DIY beauty accessory with just 5 ringgit, equivalent to 500 naira. That's how I calculate my own. So I bought it in EcoSave here in Malaysia. This DIY 4-in-1 beauty accessory. It will be so helpful for me. It will be good for me because I'm always into this mixture of different home items for my beauty and the rest. So I'm going to be showing us our mini plate or mixture accessory for us. Mixing my product is very nice and portable, cheap and easy to get. I was just surprised walking into the shop and I saw it and I was like, wow, this is what I really need, because sometimes measuring without a cup measurement or spoon, you might make mistake in measuring excess of what you don't need, more than what you need, So I decided to show you guys my DIY beauty accessory cup for measuring my home use items for my beauty, from everything mixable. So friends, if you have this this DIY mixing accessory or beauty accessory, you can let me know how much you got yours. There are many colors in the shop, and I specifically choose this one because I just like the color. I like the size and the rest. So I decided to show you guys. So I'll be bringing all these things out one by one. Let's see what is inside, how we'll make use of it in our mixture and all this. So this is a nice beauty accessory for your mixture, for your DIY mixture. It's very good and portable. Yes guys, it's well packaged. So I opened it in the shop to check out what is inside. It's well packaged. So let's see what is inside. We have the 3-in-1 spoon. We have spoons for measurement. This is 25. This is 25. This is 5. And this is 15. So these spoons are different for different measurements depending on the quantity. Most of what I use is honey. So I have to measure with the spoon I want, so I will not be making a mistake in my measurement. So this is good for my measurement. This will be so helpful for me during measuring my beauty items. So for mixture, this is good for it. So I'll be measuring with this, and this is just 3-in-1 spoon, so you kind of big formula. Then this, we have the brush inside. This brush, I think, is for applying the mixture on your face. The mixture on your face. It's not about beauty. So I just like the white color and the tips of pink. I know very soon turmeric will help me to change the color. I'm not sure, but all the same, for now let me admire the color. So this is fine. It's just to mix your concoction on what you mix on your plate. This is okay. Perfectly okay. Then we have the spoon. Oh, this spoon is good, so light and is okay for turning your mixture in your plate. So this is the bowl kind of plate for the mixing it, you know. I just like how portable, how simple, how light it looks. So friends, all these things are good. They really know that the people need this thing in mixing their items, mixing their homemade products. So we'll be using this for our mixing for our products, for our items together. You mix after taking your measurement. So this plate is so nice and I like the color. It's kind of rubber foam. I don't know. It's not plastic. It's rubber foam. See it? It's not plastic. I don't know. Just look like baby toys, things for babies, for playing or what. They just rubber. This is plastic. And it's just for to measure what you want. Just like it. The way it's packaged, it's called it the DIY beauty accessory. So I look at it closely so that I will not make mistake in making my choice. I so much like all this. They added a lot of things for you, 4-in-1. They call it 4-in-1 DIY beauty accessory, 4-in-1 plate. How are you falling? So friends, if you watch the video, kindly do not subscribe to our channel. Please try to subscribe to my channel, Erica's Beauty Touch. Follow me on Instagram, Erica's Beauty Touch, and Facebook, Erica's Beauty Touch, or Hereta, or Ugona Hereta, Anuakwado on Facebook. So friends, I should just decide to make a little and easy and fast video on just showing us what I got for my DIY mixture. You understand? So I'm just showing you instead of taking excess measurement. Now my measurement will be perfect and nice. Okay, so thank you so much for following me and always supporting me. I appreciate you all. I thank everyone who has been a full support, watching my video, sharing my videos, and commenting, liking on my video. I so much appreciate you all. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you so much for everything you've done. Thank you for giving me the courage to carry on. And I'm also using this opportunity to wish each and every one of us happy season, happy Christmas. We just step into December, so I'm glad we all made it, irrespective of all the challenges that came with the past 11 months. We all made it to a new month. So thank you friends for always supporting me. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends for your love, your kind.